10:13. We all been up since, well, Charlotte and I again woke up around the same time again. We all woke up at...
Chairs, everyone. My name is Benjamin again.
We woke up at 7:30 this morning. Okay, thanks, Ben. We woke up at 7:30. Graham had to go to work really early this morning, so Ben was up, and then he's like, you know, kept coming in my room because he wants me to wake up, and I pretend I'm sleeping because I want to sleep.
Yeah, point for that.
But I am making banana bread because I had some bananas that were gonna go bad, really bad. So I've been. Okay. Yeah, he left. But I'm making banana bread right now. I had some bananas that I really just need to, so that'll be done in about 10-15 minutes. I am currently working on a project for a friend. She wanted me to make a teacher's gift for her, so I gotta message her because the font that I chose for my gift, the font that she wants, or the font that I was gonna do with her teacher's names, it does not look good. It's just messed up. So we got that going on. But I'm good. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna try to clean up a lot of stuff. That's what I really want to do. I'm probably gonna just not get dressed for a long time because I feel like sometimes when I'm not dressed, I have motivation to get a bunch of stuff done. So there's that. Ben and Charlotte are making an obstacle course right now, so I'm like, whatever. But yeah, I want to clean up a little bit. I want to call Target and see if they have these Starbucks cups. Charlotte with me. She's just like, Mom, I wanted to be on camera and I was stuck. Which she wasn't stuck. She was just trying to fit through something she couldn't fit through, like in between the table and the toy box. She is I can't show you. You know why, right? Oh, so anyways, I am going to try to do my 4th of July wreath today, you guys. I'm going to try to get that posted. I know, I'm like a lost cause, but I don't know. There's just something going on. But yeah, they're starting to open everything up, and it's crazy. There's so many people are like, don't do it, do it, don't do it, do it. I'm in the middle. I'm still gonna like wear a mask. I'm still gonna take precautions and everything. I'm not gonna like, you know, go out just because, like, I mostly want to just go out and get stuff. But there's just things here and there that I'm gonna try to avoid. I'm not bringing my kids with me. If they have to sit in the car, they can. I'll just have somebody come with me.
Where's the mask go for?
Yeah, Ben had to wear a mask when we went to the doctor's office almost a week ago.
Charlotte got shot.
Yeah, Charlotte got shots.
One day Charlotte got the shot in school.
Okay, thanks, Ben. They already know. They know about it because we vlogged about it when your sister got her shots. Okay. Yeah. So, but today we are going to the library. I just reserved some movies. There's some books that I wanted to get, but my library. Ben, get her down. There's some books that I wanted to get, but that my library doesn't have them, and I don't want to go driving all over the place for a couple books, so I'm gonna wait until. It says Charlotte, let's like get into mischief. But yeah, I don't want to sit there and drive everywhere. So once they get the library system all going, what they end up doing is they'll like you reserve a book or whatever you want, and then they'll send it to your local library. So we got that going on, but I think she's getting tired. I'm gonna probably put her down. My bread will be done in 3 minutes, so it's gonna be a crazy day. I'll see you guys in a bit. Everybody, it is 2:44 outside. I just got all the kids.
We have a bug out.
We have a bug out?
No, we let a bug out.
Oh, there was a bee stuck between our screen door and our patio door, so we had to let him out. But we are going to go to the library right now. I got the movies ready to go. I said I'd be there in a couple minutes. So we are gonna go pick those up right now. I had a friend who wanted me to make her son a shirt. So I did an online order pickup at Michael's. I'm hoping they email me before it's too late. And then Graham and I've been wanting Red Lobster for a while now, and I don't know why I didn't choose to get that for Mother's Day. So I'm gonna go get an order to go to pick up. Then by the time Graham gets done with work, it'll be ready to go. So we're just gonna run some errands today. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. I have like 3 orders for friends that I have to do, which is kind of nice because it gives me something to do, you know, and I love making things. So we're gonna go. Graham and I got home, or yeah, we both got home with the food at the same time. Michael's is actually open. I'm out of breath. But they're only letting 5 people in at a time. So I did an online order because if I do an online order, I get 20% off. So I got some more reusable cups. one of you guys was telling me about it, but I already knew about the reusable cups. But I wanted to try them anyways because I'm gonna make a couple different gifts for my family. So I'm trying to find a cake. Where'd I put the cake? Graham put it up above. Better not got it smashed. But yeah, so we are trying to take Charlotte's 1-year photos right now. I don't want to break the cake. Yeah, so we're taking Charlotte's 1-year photos right now. Because we couldn't get a photographer because of everything that's going on. So I bought the extra cake, so I'm having Graham just take pictures of her with one outfit, and then tomorrow we'll do a different outfit, probably in a different location. So if I have to do it this way, I'll do it this way. So let's go take some photos of me.
What you doing, me darling? Are you eating cake in the backyard? Oh no! Look at that mess you just made, me darling. Nummies. Isn't it nummies? Yeah. And then we got Graham taking photos. Mr. Benjamin, how you doing?
I get a bee.
The bees won't get you. So this is what we're doing, you guys. Taking Miss photos of me darling. Yeah, that's a bumblebee, Ben. The bumblebee won't hurt you. So here's Miss Charlotte all ready for her cake, and now we're gonna go clean her up, aren't we, Miss Charlotte? Charlotte. Charlotte.
Hey everybody, so it is finally like a little after 9:30. It's actually 9:40. Just put Charlotte to bed. I feel like if I put her to bed around this time, I feel like she does sleep all night long. So she just pretty much, I just put her in a room and she just closed her eyes and went right to sleep. Graham is with Ben right now. I just started watching Santa Clarita Diet. I'm on episode 4. I gotta finish that. But currently I am weeding out some butterflies. I'm going to make another cup for myself. And if somebody wants it, I'll give it to them. But I don't know. I feel like I need to do a project. But I had an okay successful day. My place is a mess, you guys. Like, I have been slacking so much. It's just not toys. It's just like there's a towel there, there's a sippy cup there, there's a Lego there, there's some pants there. So I'm gonna have Graham really help me work this weekend up for that house. I just need help. Yeah. But otherwise, I'm just gonna sit and watch this show. I don't even know if Graham's gonna come back down and watch a movie with me. I said, let's watch a movie. He's like, okay. And I'm like, well, it's 9 o'clock, still hasn't happened. Now it's almost 10 o'clock. I'm not gonna start a movie now. So we might just watch a show or something together. I don't know, but I'm going to continue weeding this out, and I might finish this tomorrow. Otherwise, I might just do it tonight. But I don't know. I feel like I like to get out and about. Even if I don't go any places, I like to get out and about. But I definitely want to go to Target on Thursday. They have a new line coming out, and I really want to I want to get some more stuff, and I just realized I messed up on something, so I got to grab that. But other than that, I don't know. I just have to have a nice relaxing day. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. You have a nice day. Bye-bye.